아이폰에 연결되었습니다.
Kim Dao here, welcome back to my channel. I get asked all the time what products I use for my hair because supposedly it looks healthy. If you guys are interested to check that out, then I'll link that down below. And you don't have to leave it in your hair for a long time. Sometimes I skip the towel drying part and just put it in my hair.
제가 요즘 커피를 줄이고 차를 마시려고 노력하고 있거든요. 홍차를 자주 마시고 있습니다.
A few days ago, a company called My Vev sent Kamja this. This is basically like a vitamin, but it's in a puree kind of form. I've been feeding him this, and this is really cool because it's actually a supplement for dogs. And I just love the fact that they have a lot of vitamins in here. So yeah, let's give Kamja one of these. Yay! We're done! We're done! At Crate Cookies, and I'm waiting for my dentist appointment. It's right next to Panobagi, so I'm just gonna chill here and yeah, show you guys what I do when I'm waiting for my appointment. Finally at the dentist now. I wish I can show you guys how it looks like, but I'll make a separate video on that. Just brush my teeth, and we're gonna check on my teeth and also tighten up my braces. And then after this, we're gonna go to Kamde because there's this store. It's called From B on Instagram. I just found out about their store like a few days ago, and I really like all the clothing, so I'm just gonna check it out, get a couple of stuff. I'll put some of their photos right here. So yeah, let's get my checkup done first, and then we'll head to Kamde. Okay guys, so I'm finally back home, and I was gonna film the stores, but it was so crowded to a point that I couldn't really film anything. So yeah, before I show you guys what I got from B and Like Salon, I'm gonna show you guys something that I got for Kamja. It's so cute! Kamja, you wanna try? Da-da-da! Kamja, it's your own little couch! Oh! Kamja, it's your own little couch. You like? You like? He loves it. He loves it. Oh, you like it? So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from B at Conde. So the first one that I got is this beautiful rose yellow blouse. I really like it, and I'm gonna put the photo right here. I saw it on the mannequin and I was like, oh my god, that is so pretty. And I don't think I have yellow blouse. So yeah, I'm getting ready for spring and summer, so I wanted to wear this one. And I saw the mannequin wearing this with this jeans, and this is a super high-waisted jeans. And I really like how, I don't know how to explain it, but there's like one area that is kind of like overlapping the original jeans design, which I really like. I'm really into denim and I really like interesting jeans. So yeah, this one is super high-waisted and I just love the top detailing on this. And I'm planning on wearing this with belt, or there's this pearl belt that I just got and I just want to show you guys as well. But this is really, really pretty and I love the cut on my body. So I got this. And yeah, speaking of belt, I saw this really cute high-waisted elastic pearl belt. Isn't this pretty, you guys? Oh my god. I really love the detailing on this, and it's actually elastic. So the last store that I went is called Like Salon. Like Salon has a little bit of a different vibe from B, because they're actually almost right next to each other. But this one, I noticed that they have a lot of these really vintage looking, very unique skirts. So if you guys are in Korea, definitely check this place out. Like Salon and From B has been my favorite new store that I've been really loving at the moment. But the problem with this, so I have a really small waist and a lot of the high-waisted stuff doesn't really fit well on me, and they're usually really big on me. So this one is small, Korean size, and still quite big for me. So I'm gonna go to Yeongdeungpo near my aunt's place, and I'm just gonna find a tailor there and get it resized. But this one is really pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh! Okay guys, so my other package just arrived and I figured I'll just unbox it here and I'll do an updated dressing room, like official dressing room tour. So I ordered mannequin. I just wanted my dressing room to look a little bit like a store, so I got one. It was really actually inexpensive. I got it for $20 at Neighbor Shopping. I've been really loving Neighbor Shopping because they have a lot of things that are supposed to be quite expensive, but it's pretty affordable. Let's open this together. I don't know where I put my cutter. Hold up. Let's open it, guys. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Okay. 1, 2, 3. Da-da-da! I'm so curious. Camus? Okay, that was good. What's the next step? Oh, and then we put the mannequin. Yay! Ta-da! It's here! Wow, 잘됐다. Now let's bring this to my dressing room. So this is how my mannequin looks like. I just dressed it up with the top and the skirt that I just got. I really like how it looks, guys. I love how my dressing room is slowly turning out. I still need to get my curtain and then carpet and still a bunch of other interior stuff. It's not fully done yet. I'm still just parking things here and there. So that part will most likely be my accessories. I'm probably gonna move it around, all my makeup and things like that. So yeah, stay tuned. But this is sneak peek of my dressing room. Okay guys, I'm so sleepy. I'm actually really tired. I was taking a train all the way from Kondae to my place in Ilsan, and it took forever, and I had like multiple transfer, and the whole day I was just riding subway back and forth because I was in Gangnam and then I have to move to Yeoksam for my dentist appointment. And then I went to Kondae to get some of the clothing stuff that I really wanted to get, and just a bunch of random things. So yeah, it was a struggle, and I think my back is really hurting for some reason. I don't know why. So I might get like a little massaging machine so that I can just put it around my neck and on my back. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll try to come back with more interesting vlog. I think I'm gonna name this vlog going to the dentist or something. I don't know. So don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. 안녕.